Let us understand the step-by-step process of booking a service bill percentage-wise in StrategicERP. To book a service bill, first approve the service received note against the percentage-wise work order. Then, navigate to the service bill percentage-wise form under the Contractors Management module and search for the work order number. Select the work order number, and all details will be fetched automatically based on your selection. Enter the contractor bill number and contractor bill date manually. You can also enter payment days and TDS details manually if they are not already updated in the work order. If already updated, you can view the details directly under the Work Order Details tab. The service receipt note percentage will be fetched from the service received note. Previous percentage and unapproved percentage will auto-populate if applicable. Enter the current percentage. Total percentage, amount and current amount will auto-populate based on your entry. Save the data. Your entry will be saved successfully as a draft. The process of booking a service bill percentage-wise is now complete.